The haram is prohibited to all people equally. The haram is prohibited to all people equally. There is no favoritism. Haram for you, but not for you. Why? Oh, you took your not haram for you. La. Not haram for them because they're my cousin, but you? No. Haram because they've got high status or power. Ooh, untouchable, halal for them, but haram for everyone else. In Islam, haram, if something is haram, it's haram for everybody equally. Of course, there are things that are haram for men that are not haram for women. It's equally haram to all men. And there are things that are haram for women that are not haram for men. It's equally haram to all women. And there are things that are mutually haram for both of us, and it's haram for everybody. There is no favoritism. The Prophet ﷺ stood up one day and said, Wallahi, by the one who possesses my soul in his hand, if Fatima, the daughter of Muhammad ﷺ, his own daughter, stole, I will not hesitate except to carry out Allah's punishment on her like everyone else. There is no favoritism. In Islam, the law of Allah, a prohibition is the same everywhere. For example, going to a nightclub or having an illegitimate partner, intimate partner, is equally forbidden for both the brother and the sister. You know, in our culture, some cultures, they've got this favoritism of halal and haram between the sons and the daughters, the boys and the girls. It's almost like there's a free pass for the boys to do haram things. When it comes to the girls, only for them it's haram. It's haram for both, in the same way. Another example, being secluded alone together between a non-mahram man and a woman is equally forbidden for a sheikh, for a prophet, and for every other ordinary person. I'm like your uncle, I'm like your father, I'm like your grandfather, I'm like your auntie. You can't do that, my brothers and sisters. Haram for everybody. Abadan. Theft is forbidden for the king, for the khalifa, for the president, like every other citizen, and so on. So the haram apply to everyone without any favoritism.